Hey there! Welcome to the TimeTag Attendance Software tutorial. I'm Catherine from TimeTag Training Division. If you're ready to simplify the way you manage employee attendance, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be showing you just how easy it is to log in and explore the TimeTag Attendance dashboard, where you can get a real-time view of your team's attendance, keep track of biometric devices, review leave requests, and so much more, all in just a few clicks. Whether you're new to TimeTag or just need a quick refresher, stick with me, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive in. To get started, all you need to do is open any web browser and head over to timetag.com. If you're new, you can easily register by clicking on Sign Up, or your installer will register on your behalf. If you already have an account, simply log in from the Login section. Assuming you already have an account, let's log in. From here, you can log in using your admin credentials with email and password, followed by a quick CAPTCHA verification. Once you've logged in, the attendance dashboard gives you a full, real-time view of your workforce's daily attendance. Right at the top, you'll see an overview showing the total number of employees, how many are present, absent, or on leave for the day. If you've got employees working off-site, don't worry, the outdoor entries are tracked too, along with the real-time status of any connected biometric devices. As you scroll down, you'll notice a helpful graphical breakdown of attendance trends for the current month, like late arrivals, early departures, and, of course, the total present and absent entries. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find the most recent punch-in details of your employees, giving you a quick snapshot of who's clocked in. You can also check out detailed info on your connected biometric devices, so you're always up to date on their status. It's a seamless way to keep track of everything happening in real time without any hassle. On the right-hand side, you'll find the most recent punch-in details of employees. As you scroll down, the dashboard also provides a summary of all leave requests submitted by your team through the employee self-service portal. Everything's right there in one place, easy to access. One more handy feature to point out is the Supposed to Punch section. This shows a list of employees who are expected to punch in but haven't done so yet, perfect for spotting potential attendance issues early on. So, there you have it. The TimeTag Attendance dashboard gives you everything you need to manage your workforce efficiently, whether it's tracking attendance, keeping an eye on device connectivity, or reviewing leave requests. It's all at your fingertips. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into more features TimeTag has to offer. So stay tuned.